What is up, everyone? I'm and it's loaded. 1 second. Alright, anyways. Oh shit, there he is. I made a video. My last video was about my my BB gun. If you haven't watched that, go ahead and watch it. And everything. Before we start, go and subscribe, please, right now, and like and everything. You know what it is. And we're gonna go ahead. Please don't. Who cares? Anyways, uh, BB gun clip, everything, easy, button right here how to release the clip. And yes, the BBs will come out because it is actually releasing the BBs into the chamber and everything. So you'll probably get sometimes you only get one in the chamber, sometimes you'll get 5 in the chamber. It just depends. Don't be an idiot. Don't push this button. If you are an idiot, you would push that button and it will release all of the BBs, which you do not want. You want to keep all the BBs in, and the only way you want to empty them is from shooting them. So don't be an idiot. And if you are an idiot, comment down below and I'll make another video how not to be an idiot, because I'm a major idiot and I don't know how to fix it. I'm just gonna shut up and teach you guys how to use this. You should know how to load it back and everything. I'm not gonna load it back because I don't want to unload it or discharge the gun in my house. Everything. I don't really know what to say. Mainly it was about just trying to get you guys to get this right here all in and everything. So hang on. Let me take them all out. So if you want to do it the easy way, grab all the way down and then push. It will hurt your thumb, but no pain, no gain. Yeah. Try to prop my stupid phone up. I just put them in my hands and scoop them up. I got some somewhere else. Kid, don't ask. Ugh. Alright, and then the last one you have to be really careful with, because if you don't and you push this down, then you pull that down, you have a possibility of letting all of them out. So I say push this down, then use this, hang on, then that, okay? So, and then I'll show you how to load it if you guys don't. You make sure the BBs are put like this. So you get the gun and then the clip, okay? Make sure it's like this. And your parents should teach you this. And then I'm gonna do it like my way. Like this. Like this. Done. That's how I'll do it. Just put it in your hand, in, and then back. I would discharge it, but I'm not going to because my dad will walk in. I told you not to do that, and he does not know, so don't tell him. I'd get in serious trouble. But, and make sure you have a nice amount like this, or a container about this big. That would also be really nice. Yeah. Like I said, like, subscribe, and everything, and yeah. Honestly, in my opinion, so far, I like the BB gun. It's nice. I need to ask my friend how to clean it because, let's be honest, I'm a total moron. I don't know how to do anything. The main mistake that I have ever made is being born, so I can't say too much. Anyways, yeah, like, subscribe, and everything, so, yeah, see ya.